A very good morning to you, children. Hope you are doing good and hope you are all safe at home. I welcome you all to my online class today, and I'm going to teach you about GK, and the topic is the about the national symbols. Okay, children, we all live in the country called India, right? Yes, India we call as Hindustan or Bharat. Okay, and we are all very proud of being here because our ancestors, okay, our forefathers, all who lived here, okay, children, from long ago. Yes, okay, and children, there are certain symbols, okay, we need to respect them because these are our pride. Okay, yes, children, in today's class let us learn about the national symbols. Okay, and what are our national symbols, children? See, these are certain things, okay, if we are the national symbol. One is a national flag, second one is a national emblem, third is a national anthem, national song, national currency, national flower, national fruit, national river, national animal, national bird, and the national tree. Okay, yes, now let us learn about the national flag. Okay, what's our national flag? Have you seen the picture of our national flag, children? Yes, national flag is tiranga. Okay, that is our national flag with tricolor, children. See here, this is a flag of India, right? Okay, which has three colors, children. One is the saffron, then white and green, and in the middle, children, you find one chakra, okay, with the 24 spokes inside. Yes, blue, which is in blue color. Yes, okay, and this is our national flag. Okay, and each color will symbolize its own meaning. Okay, and each band has its own color. Okay, first is the saffron, then white, then it's green. Okay, and in the middle you find chakra and with 24 spokes, and this is our national flag. During the national festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day, we hoist the flag, right, children? Yes, okay, we respect our flag also, right? Yes, that is how we show the respect to our country. Okay, yes, now let's see about the next one is a national emblem. Okay, have you ever seen this picture, children? Okay, in all the currency notes we find this, right? This is the national emblem. Okay, with the four lions here. Okay, you can find only three lions, but one lion is hidden backside. Okay, yes, and even you find other animals like bull, horse, and the elephant also in this picture. Okay, and below that they have written the national motto, that is Satyameva Jayate. Always there is what is that? Satya, truth will always triumph. Okay, yes, this is about the national emblem, children. Okay, yes, very good. Now let's see about the national anthem. What is this national anthem, children? Have you ever heard the song have you ever heard this Janaganamana? Yes, Janaganamana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. Yes, okay, that's the national anthem. Okay, when we say this national anthem, we should say stand straight. Okay, we need to respect it. Okay, children? Yes, that's the national anthem. Yes, next is about the this national anthem, okay, which is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, children? Yes. National song. What's our national song, children? Do you know that? Yes. Vande Mataram. Okay, have you heard that song? Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Sujala Sufala Malayaj Shitala Sasya Shamala Mataram Vande Mataram. Okay, that's the song, national song, which is written by which was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay, children, let's see about the national currency. You all have seen that, right? In all the currency note you find one symbol, that's of the Indian rupee. Okay, we call our national currency as Indian rupee. Okay, now let's see this national flower. What's our national flower? See, lotus is our national flower. Okay, which is one of the very beautiful flower, auspicious flower. Okay, national fruit, king of all fruits, is called mango, right? So this is mango is our national fruit. Okay, yes. National river. Okay, national river is river Ganga. Okay, which is one of the very sacred river. If we dip in that river, okay, all our sins are lost. Okay, that's our sacred river, children. Yes. National animal. Let's see about the national animal. Bengal tiger. Okay, is our national animal. Okay, yes. National bird. Which is our national bird, children? That's peacock. Peacock is the national bird, which is a very beautiful bird with beautiful feather and all, right? Yes. Now, what's the national tree? Our national tree is banyan tree. Okay, this is the banyan tree, children. Okay, so these are few of the national symbols. Okay, which symbolizes India. Okay, yes, we should equally respect all of them. Okay, children. Yes. So we have chosen all the very best one as our national symbols, right? Okay, I hope you understood a few of the things today, and I'm going to teach you something more interesting in my next class. Okay, yes, thanks for watching this video. Yes, thank you.